Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to capture stunning videos on your Apple devices in no time. If we want to record a video from iPhone, we will open the camera app. After opening the camera, we will go to the video mode. Here we can click on the red button to start recording our video. From here we can click on the screenshot or photo button. If we want a photo from the video, we can pause it and then continue recording. If we want to end the video, we will click here to stop and end the recording. If we want to change the settings of this video, such as compatibility format, we will go to the Settings menu, go to Settings and then Camera, where you'll find video quality options. So make sure that our video is set to high efficiency for the best possible recording quality now. So our video quality is good. Now go to Formats and keep it on Most Compatible, as high efficiency video formats can change over time for better compatibility. If we try to convert or upload our video somewhere and it doesn't work, there might be a compatibility issue. Recorded like a pro on your iOS device? Check the description for a discount and like/subscribe for more.